the class, okay, for all of you. So we have 15 minutes only for this. So it's possible to talk with Juan Andres Cardenas. Are you there, Andres? Can you hear me? Juan Andres is not here. What's going on, Juan Andres? Let's go with Victor Manuel. Victor Manuel Gonzalez, can you hear me? Here is Victor Manuel Gonzalez Gomez. Who's that? Student? Is not here, is not present. Samuel. Okay, let me write Samuel. Samuel, are you there? Samuel, can you hear me? Samuel, can you hear me? Samuel, can you hear me, Samuel? Hello, Mr. Samuel, can you hear me? No? Isabel Sofia Guevara, can you hear me? Sophia, answer the questions for me. Look at this. This is a river, yes or not? This is a river, Isabel. Is this a river? Isabel, can you hear me? Isabel Sofia, can you hear me? Okay, Isabel, look at this man. This is a man. Is this man your father? No, definitely no. Very good. Good. Okay. Let's go to Daniel Esteban Parra. Can you hear me? Daniel? Daniel? Daniel Esteban Parra, can you hear me? Oh my God. All right. Tomas Pastrana, can you hear me? It's difficult for you to participate in the classroom. All right. All right. So don't worry. So I'm gonna try for perhaps maybe it's better to write in the questions and then perhaps you can understand this. So where we are here, we're here. Yes. All right. All right. Who's this? Who's this? What is this? What is this? Miguel Angel Kitian. What is this? Uh, Miguel Angel Kitian, are you there? Miguel Angel. Miguel Angel, can you hear me? No? Oh my God, all of you are gone. So let's go to Daniel Esteban Parra. Can you hear me, Daniel? Mm, I see. What is this? What is this? All right. And let's go to who's this? Let's go to Samuel Santiago. Daniel Parra, are you there? Parra, Daniel, can you hear me? Okay, so that's one of the biggest problem. Okay, no problem. So let's go to Maria Camila Rodriguez. Are you there? Maria Camila, can you hear me? Can I see your face, Maria Camila? Can I see your face? I don't want to see the picture. I want to see your face. That you are turn on your camera. Maria Camila Rodriguez Gonzalez. Turn on your camera. On your camera, Maria Camila Rodriguez. You listen to me, Maria Camila? You hear me? Can I see your face? I'm watching some Minions. I don't want to see the minions. I want to see your face. Can I see your face? Maria Camila, tell me. Maria Camila, what's going on? Okay. Okay, Maria Camila, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Maria Camila, tell me, do you like Orlando? Do you it's beautiful? Is Orlando beautiful? Good. Let's go to Joel Santiago. Can you hear me, Joel? Thank you. Joel, can I hear Joel Santiago Rodriguez Lopez? Are you there? Joel Santiago is not there. He's gone. Oh my God, son of you is gone. Oh my God, there are only 19 students. They gone. Okay, let's go with Juan Pablo Segura Reyes. Who's Juan Pablo Segura Reyes? Juan Pablo. Juan Pablo, are you there? No, not yet. Juan Pablo, tell me something. Tell me something about Hollywood. Do you like Hollywood? It's beautiful, Hollywood. Do you like to visit? Do you like to visit Hollywood? Very good. Spectacular. Good. Let's go with Maria Camila Tejes. Maria Camila Tejes. Maria Camila Tejes. Maria Camila Tejes, are you there? Maria Camila Tejes. Can you hear me, Maria Camila? No, let's go to Tomás Torres Tapicero. Can you hear me? Okay, Tomás. All right, very good, Tomás. Uh, let me see. What do you like? Let me see. What do you like in Hollywood to visit? What do you like to visit? I mean, let me change. Do you want to visit Hollywood or do you want to visit Orlando? Hollywood for you is better, Hollywood than Orlando. Remember, Orlando is where you have Disney World. Disney World is in Orlando. Hollywood is very Hollywood. Okay, that's good. There, that's good. That's spectacular. And do you remember Aspen? Who's talking? Okay, let's go to Juan Esteban Araque. Juan Esteban Araque, are you there? Tell me, Araque, do you remember Aspen? Do you remember Aspen City? At the beginning, at the beginning of the videos, we watched uh, Aspen City. It was like a snow where you can ski. Do you like ski? Yeah, yes, it's possible. The snow is spectacular. Who's talking? Yes, who's talking? Who's talking? Who's talking? ¿Quién está hablando? Who's talking? Tomás, you don't listen to me? You don't listen to me, but it has the sound, it has the microphone. So my microphone. Now, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Well, I don't know what's going on. All right. Anyway, let's go to see again, but I'm going to ask him you questions about the video, okay? So check it out this video. And next is Juan Jose Diaz Sono. Juan Jose. Okay, check it out this man. Look at this man and answer my. Hold on one moment. So something is happening at the moment. So one moment. Look at this. This is a kind of transport in New York. So what's going on? Come on, talk. Yes, I listen to you. I listen to you. So yes, I hear you. Of course, I hear you. So let's go to Juan Jose Diaz Solarzano. Listen to me. All right. Notice this. Where is this place? Where is this place? Exactly. Is it's in downtown in New York. Okay, very good. So and it's raining. It's raining in New York. It's raining, 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 lloviendo. It's raining in the picture. Yeah, in this place. It's not raining. Very good. That's perfect. All right, let's go to Manuela Lopez. Manuela, can you hear me? Now, Manuela, the question for you. Uh, is this place in Colombia? Definitely no. Very good. Where is this place? Where is it? Perfect. That's good. That's good. Yes.